Hello guys, welcome to this channel where we give you exclusive content on how to grow your brand. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and enjoy. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome to our wonderful channel, Juicy Enterprise. Please, the first thing you have to do on our channel is subscribe. And before talking about what we want to go into today in this video, go to our other videos and you're going to see other videos that we've been doing that are going to help you make money from posting, liking and commenting. I think it's a hot video which you need to watch. How to create WhatsApp e-commerce is another video. How to edit videos with your smartphone, it's another video. How to target buying audience on Facebook, it's another video. How to get more followers on Facebook on your Facebook profile, it's another video. You can also watch these other videos on my platform if you are interested in electronics, blenders and kitchenware. Let's get to why this video is being taught today. That is how to create an e-commerce store for yourself. Now please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Please subscribe and subscribe and subscribe. Please like this video, place a comment and tell me the kind of videos you want me to post about smartphone, that what you can use your smartphones to do. That's going to help you. Let me know. All right, so let's get to Play Store. I don't know if it's on App Store for those of you using Apple phones, but I know it's on Play Store. So search for Veepar, VEEPAR, Veepar. It's going to open like this, and this is Veepar. So you're going to see formerly what's hash. That is it. So you download it, and let's see what Veepar has to say, because before going into using any app, you need to understand what the app is saying, why you're getting the app. So let's get to see what they are saying about the app. Run your business online on WhatsApp. So it's an additional tool that can help you to run your business easily on WhatsApp. It's more organized and far more better than WhatsApp e-commerce. So now you can create an online store, a business page. That is, you create a business website, not an online store. You can create a CRM to connect to your customers easily and post questions and answers that your customers can answer easily. And for an online store, this is how it looks like. So you see all your products and the subcategories, like we said here, all products. Now you see topwear, footwear, watches. Those are your those are your categories where people can see what you are actually selling. And also, one sweet thing about this is that you can see the orders that your customers have actually landed for you, the unpaid orders, the processed orders, and different kind of thing. Then you can manage the orders your own way, your own time. And product attributes, if you want to put your products, have different variants, like they are the let's say small, large, extra large, all of those stuff. So you can set them and set a color for them. And you can use payment gateways like Pay Later, Stripe, Razorpay or Paystack. Yeah, Pay Later is good. You can different types of things that you can do with Veepar. And also the checkout form that your customers are going to fill, you can customize it so that it takes information that you need and not the ones that you don't need. Because in some countries, some customers don't use emails. Let me say like Cameroon, customers don't prioritize emails, so you need to understand that. And the sweet thing about it is that it keeps a background information of all your customers, and you can get to your customers easily on WhatsApp. I hope this is a sweet something to do. So let's get to work. I will open my Veepar app. I'm sure this app was developed by an Indian, but notwithstanding, this guy's the guy that actually did this app is an amazing person. So you might be requested to sign up into the app, your store name and all of those stuff. Don't bother, fill everything that you need to fill. So let me go to my info. What I did in my info, you have to choose a profile image, a cover image, your business name, about your business. This one I did not actually write anything here. So business page language automatic, you can choose it to be English. If you want it to be only English, automatic means that if someone is checking your page from France, it's going to be translated to French. Address and country, then you save your information that you want to save. The numbers are the numbers that your customers can actually get to you from. So in my own case, I added just 2 numbers. Maybe you can have 3 numbers. You put the 3 numbers. These 2 numbers is in case I'm not around, they can actually contact our dropshipping manager. So that is why I did what I did. All right, so social links are your links on Facebook, Instagram, your links on LinkedIn. You can add, if you want to add any social link, you want to add Twitter or anyone you want to add. So it's all left for you to do and arrange. And your links, there are some links that you want your customers to see. Like I, for one, I wanted my customers to get to my YouTube channel, so that's what I did. And if you have a domain name, you can actually link the domain name to that of your VPAR, that it shows like a website and not the juicystore.wat something. All right, now contacts are the contacts that if you get here, you can see customer care, AOC, Fongotayon. These are people that have actually bought from you, so that is from here that you get to see them. So it is something that is very nice, like I showed you guys in their other stuff there. You need to understand it. Add a contact, quick replies. You can set quick replies that you can easily get to a customer when you're not around, and you tap on it, and it's very simple to use. Funnels, you can create different funnels, halogenovone and different things. You can product tags. Now see your dashboard. This month it gives you a brief history of how far you've gone. So this is it, how far you've gone. There's a new VPAR account, orders, the orders that you've had, your products that are available, your categories. You can, in products, you can add products here. You see the products that you've listed already, and you can add a new product by going to the plus icon here and adding a product. What I choose, whether it's a simple product or a variable product. And if it's a simple product, all right, if it's a variable product, you must have set your variants already, so to know which is which. If it's a simple product, you go to a simple product, you can add some pictures to the product, and it works very well. Now I'm going to go to, you see categories, you edit categories, badges, attributes, charges. If there's some charges that you want, you are the one to set your charges and your shipping, and the payment you want to use. Like it was shown to you guys, you can choose any payment you want to. So you see Stripe, I choose pay later so that I can discuss with the customers on WhatsApp. So that's why I choose pay later. But if you have Razorpay where you are, then cool. If you have Paystack, then it's okay. If you have Flutterwave, it's okay. It all depends on what you have in your country. Polls and integrations, but that is not it. So after you're done creating your website, what next? You want to see how your website looks like, right? And believe me, it has the best touch. So this is the link, this your business URL. That's what you send to your customers, or you market when you want to do your campaigns. Yes, so you can actually subscribe to their upgrade button and like upgrade your account and get access to premium content. Let's see how it looks like. So I'm going to click on the button after the green share button, so we get to see how it looks like. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we are giving you a lot of hot content that is going to help you not to spend more. You can start your own business at the comfort of your home. Please subscribe to our channel so we can give you more of this content. Now this is it. This is your homepage. Chat with us, and the links you were supposed to actually put, all those ones like address. Then this is your store by the site. The person can go through all your products to get to see. So what I did here was I had to upload pictures with high quality. Okay, I'm going to refresh it. All right, high quality. If you look at my images, they are of high quality and high standard. So that's what I actually had to work and to do. And 13 out of 13 items, so manual machines, different categories and stuff. So this is how it looks like, and it's very good for you. Like, it's very good. Here your visitors can actually change the language to what the best understand. So this is VPAR for you. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and God bless you.